Hey guys, Jason Darcy here. Welcome to Melbourne Muscular Therapy's channel. If you're new to our channel, like and subscribe. We do awesome bodywork content. Also, if you're looking to rehab an injury, we do strength and rehabilitation or strength and conditioning exercises and workouts and things like that. So if you're keen to improve your overall health, click like and subscribe. Today we're doing a hip flexor treatment. So Iliacus and Psoas, you might also do a little bit of TFL. For those of you that have tight and sore hips, you sort of get a little bit of pinching in the front of the hip here, or sort of that non-specific hip pain, you can't really locate where it is. These are the three spots we're going to treat for you.
Oh, you bastard.
All right, this is Darcy's favourite, I reckon. Iliacus, so it just sits on the inside of the hip here. So we just find the ASIS, which is that bone at the front of your hip. So we sink off that. We're just going to slowly sink in because it's a pretty uncomfortable area. If you look at Darcy's face there, he loves it straight away.
I love it, but I hate it.
It's a love-hate relationship, this one.
I know how much I need it.
Hopefully you can see there. I don't want to reveal too much of Darcy, our good man. We'll keep some of his
up to the imagination.
Modesty. Yeah, that's right. So we just sink in nice and slow. We just pin and hold and just wait.
That's pretty neural, pretty good.
So you can get some referring into the quad or sometimes around into that lower back. So there is quite a few referral patterns from this sort of area of the hip.
It's good. It's really sore, but it's
just wait. You don't really move too much through here because it's quite a sensitive area. So it's just a lot of pinning and holding. And then once we've sort of got our way in, we can start to do some active and passive movement of the hip itself. But for now, we're just sinking in. And just little subtle change of angle. If you come in close here, Leo, so hopefully they can see. So at the moment, I'm sort of angling out this way. But then I can also scoop down and angle straight towards the table. Feels like there's a little bit there. And what I'm feeling for as a practitioner is just where there's more resistance in the tissue. So as we're sinking in, it should be quite soft. Where when there's tightness or we've found an area that could be related to your pain, there's normally quite a hard layer of resistance in the tissue, so we can't really sink into it. So that's what we're sort of feeling for. And when we get to that layer of resistance, or that we might actually feel like a hard ball in the tissue, then we're just going to hold at that depth where we feel like we're getting that effective release. And then as it slowly starts to melt, we're looking at either changing our angle, or do we just need to keep going further and further until that block really clears out. So that's sort of what we're feeling for as a practitioner. What it might feel like for you on the table can be a bit uncomfortable, but we're trying to get that therapeutic, effective release of the pain. So we want to locate what feels relevant for you. So we don't want it to feel like traumatic and overbearing, but just getting that good pain sensation where you know it feels right for what you're experiencing.
Yep. The pain of staying the same outweighs the pain it takes to change.
Oh, there it is. Some words of wisdom. That's what you'll also get on this channel as well. Darcy and Ninja have a little podcast series going on where they have some pretty in-depth chats.
Won't be in-depth while getting my Iliacus done, though, not today.
I was just about to ask you, nah.
Nah. Sweating. Clammy.
Clammy and sweaty, that's what you get.
Good. It's good.
Good thing we turned the heater off, otherwise I'd spontaneously combust, I reckon. So just holding there. So just for the video's sake, I'm going to show you some of the passive sort of movement we can do. So Darcy's staying relaxed as he can, and I'm still staying at the same depth with my thumb, and then I'm just going to slowly start to bring the hip up. So I can just get him to here to start with. I can start to slowly move the hip around. This also gives me a bit of an idea of how your hip's moving, what the muscles are doing as they're sort of getting taken through some range. Sorry you can't see what's going on in there, but my thumb's just staying in that same spot.
Oh, it's so good.
And we're just slowly moving, taking through different angles. We can sort of angle more towards his opposite pec, or just coming straight up as well. So just changing the angle of the hip there.
Oh, it's decent. Yeah.
It's decent, he says.
It's decent. Oh, I feel such a pinch in my hip, like referral pain.
We're just holding there, and then we can really extend out. What we can even do is we can even let him just drop his leg off the table there, so we can try and open the hip up in a different way. See how that feels.
It's good.
Hits the muscles a little bit differently, and then just get him to relax there.
Wow. Great release.
For video's sake, I'm going to move on. We can spend a lot longer on that. But you can see a nice little thumb imprint there. So our next muscle is psoas. So this one attaches onto the front side of your spine. So we're just going to sink in beside the abs here. So it's like we're just sort of working our way through the layers here.
Yeah, it's hitting it already.
Just like an onion. We're working our way through the onions.
Shrek.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
Everybody loves cake. So once we get to that psoas, we can feel a little ropey spot in there. And then to make sure we know that we're on it, we can get Darcy to just flex his hip up, because the psoas is a hip flexor, and you can feel that it pops up into my pressure there. So then you can relax back down there, Darcy. And again, this one we're not doing too much movement. We can sort of change our angles, which can make it feel like there's a lot of difference from angling down that way to now I'm angling sort of straight down towards the table. If I lean over, that's like pushing all the way through to his back.
Yep.
But yeah, pretty much we're just pinning and holding.
It's that angle there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nasty, but it's good.
Bit of neurally referral.
Just into my groin and into my hip.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes if you've got lower back pain as well, like aching, it can come from this hip flexor region. You can get some referral sensations around there. And then again, once we're happy with where we're at, we can slowly get Darcy to try and bring his hip up. That's it, and then knee up towards your chest now. Yeah, so this will be quite nasty, but after you do sort of 4 or 5, really starts to free it up. Oh, and it can feel it really push up into my pressure there.
Oh, yeah, got some strong psoases.
He's been working them. Put plenty of work into the psoas the last few weeks, haven't you, Darcy?
Oh, yeah.
Good, that's it. Even a little bit slower on the way down, I reckon, just to really enjoy the pain of it. Nice and slow. Oh, that feels great, doesn't it?
Oh, it's
He
bloody
loves
beautiful.
it.
It's all fun.
Let's do one more. Up. And then back out. Good.
Oh.
Then we can sink out of there. Again, we can explore sort of all the way up here and further down into the psoas. But for video's sake, I'm just going to do a quick test here. So one I like to do, which I would normally do at the start, but just thinking now, is I like to let the person be relaxed, and then I just bring the hip up and through and feel what's going on there. So also getting feedback of, do you feel any pinching, any compression there? Feels pretty clean. Sometimes you get people with chronic hip and you'll get to here and it just feels like a hard block. Darcy's quite good there. So what it should be is, it should feel like a nice soft sort of end feel where the muscles don't, like they have a bit of a spring. That's a good healthy hip movement there. Where some people, it gets there and it's just like really hard and rigid. So the last spot we're going to do is TFL, Darcy. Let's roll to your side. Yep. Another one of the favourite muscles that we love to treat here. And Darcy will love getting.
Yep.
So, yeah, I reckon straighten your bottom leg out.
Sure.
And then bring your top knee up there.
There we go.
Yeah, that's the way I like to do it.
Yep.
So we just let the towel come down. I'll grab a little bit of wax just so I can move a little bit. So our TFL sits in this area here. So on the side of your, pretty much your short pocket, that's where your TFL is going to be.
Yep.
So my thumb just fits in there nicely. And again, probably another one of the more painful areas to treat. Yeah. So we'll just sink in nice and slow. I'll keep the other hand out of the way so you can see. So we're angling into that hip bone there to start with. Otherwise I can angle straight down towards the table, which there feels like there's a little bit more that way. And again, we're going to give our man Darcy a little bit of curry just to find the spot.
Yep. Hot.
And it doesn't need too much either. You can get some referral pain if you're getting some sensations down in the shin and the ankle, the outside of the calf.
Yeah.
That's quite common from this TFL referral.
Yeah. Into
the glute and hamstring. So yeah, there's quite a lot of areas that can be linked with this TFL being tight.
Feels good, man. Feel it referring into my knee, into the outside of my shin. Sometimes that's a common one too. People think
outside of the shin, yeah, that's right.
Shin splints, and it's just a tight TFL. Courtesy of understanding referral patterns, trigger points.
Oh, I'm just going to change thumbs. I felt like there's a little bit of a spot there.
Yep, I'll just shush now.
Yeah, let's just
Get into
really
that.
get into that.
Oh.
Come around and have a quick look at how our man's doing here. Nah, he's doing well.
Double thumbs.
Don't reckon you reckon double thumb.
No. I gave.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were
Not
saying
you,
me
you
double
bastard.
thumbs.
Not you.
I didn't think you needed double.
Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, as a somebody that's lifting in the gym and playing footy, like I just know how good my hips are going to feel after this. So if you're somebody that's just a little bit tight from the gym or from playing sport, don't like hesitate and wait for it to become an injury or wait for it to become so stiff and sore. This sort of stuff should be done, as a maintenance as well. Just get it done every couple of weeks. I have clients that see me weekly and have for years. I have clients that
Just
see
as
me monthly.
maintenance.
Just as maintenance. Yeah, they love it. They just
Especially
love
if you are more active and you're really looking to increase your performance, or you want to keep training and hitting new levels in the gym or running or whatever it is. Like, you want your body to feel good. So if you're starting to feel heavy and lethargic and that sort of thing, it might just be that your muscles are really tight. So if you're having a bit of a down week, I just feel like I'm not as strong. Treatment might be the thing you need. Just clear it out.
Yeah.
Give the body a little reset.
Yeah.
And then get back into it.
Yeah.
So
Recovery's key.
pin and hold.
Oh, man.
Sometimes this TFL as well can feel like in the hip. So if you feel like you got hip pain, like bursitis and that type of sensation, sometimes it can be just this TFL really tight, getting compressed in there. I've had a lot of people that have come in with hip pain and it's just been this TFL. They've been told that, you've got chronic hip issues, but it's just actually TFL is just really tight and locked on. And you release that and their hip pain goes away. All right. There you go, guys. There's a quick snapshot of how we release any sort of anterior hip pain or hip pain that might be presenting out the side there. There are some other areas that we do treat, so yeah, give our channel a bit more of a view if you're keen to explore how we fix hip pain. Thanks, guys. See ya.
Feeling good?